The fact is, when people come here, the thing that you want them to know first and foremost is that we have a 2-flavor swirl ice cream machine.
At the beginning of any week, students will come with an idea of what they're going to make, not necessarily understanding what else is taking on here until the end of the week. People may come unsure in their own abilities and the abilities of the people around them, but with the help of instructors and the assistants, students leave much more confident in their own abilities.
The joy to that type of experience is you get to watch their confidence grow. From the first class, they're unfamiliar with the facilities, they're unfamiliar with me, the instructor, and so on. Their problem-solving skills, their sense of design, and so on, improve dramatically.
We probably know 40 to 50% of the students here, as they show up, if not more, makes everything a little bit more relatable and creates a larger sense of community as makers.
And we have probably about 30,000 alumni that have been through here. And it's a blessing.
The students I find, there might be 16 students in the class, all have 8, 9, or 10 that I've had repeatedly, which is really quite interesting because you get to know the students on a very, very personal level.
People tend to return here and go through many different classes. And now he's offering a broader and broader spectrum of classes that's attracting all sorts. So you get to meet some cool people. The students are from all walks of life, and that's really makes it fascinating because you never know who you're going to meet when the students come on a class. And I find that a rewarding part of my job, really, the people you get to meet.
And what we're doing is we're bringing together these incredible people to just show us how to do remarkable crafts at a high level.
My name is Stephen Proctor. I'm a woodworker, have been all my life. I've been coming here for 1 year short of the school's existence, which I think is over 20 years anyway. I've watched the school grow, and I take my hat off to Marc Adams for creating this wonderful environment where people can learn so many things.
There is a lot of equipment here, and of course it's dedicated mostly to fine woodworking, but he has an enormous wood turning classroom set up here.
The whole notion of being able to come to a school that is so well set up to get those special topics across is a real treat for me.
So I think that the impact that they have is just walking in here and going, wow, man, this place is incredible. The equipment, the facility, the size. And then they get around and they see all the things on the walls. And then they look at all the incredible things in the display case. And they're absorbed in this entire feel of what takes place here. And I think that that's what they leave with.
The place has many different vibes to it. As you travel through the different classrooms, there is, as you just need to look at the walls around you, there's lots of things to inspire you.
What happens for us as a mature craft is there becomes a legacy side to it. You want to make things that people will remember you for.
Ideas, techniques, methods that you've taught, those will persist, and that's what I feel is good to leave behind you.
So to ask what it is about any one thing that makes you feel good, it's understanding the effect, not only that we have on people in their lives, but the effect that they have on my life and how they've changed me. And those are the things that I cherish every single day, are the friendships that I've met with people.